I'm just waiting for YouTube to actually kick in and basically receive that we are like live right now. My PC doesn't seem to like it very much. Let's see. Yeah, we've got a little lag. Oh yeah, we're receiving content. So that means hello guys. I'm still puzzled why I am having this strange lag. Oh, it's gone now. So oh no, it's not. It is not gone. But it's right about fine. Yeah, hello. Welcome to the stream. We streamed a little bit last time. Let's actually go down to... No, there's really no one there at the moment. So... Well, yeah. Yeah, one. There's one person watching right now, which is great. And we'll just wait for that number to go up a little, just by a little. And then we'll go live. And I'm still trying to figure out why this is lagging so much. Well, lagging, it's like frame stopping. And I don't know why it does that. Let's take some safety precautions. Okay, we should be fine. I hope it's not too loud for you guys. There you go. So if you're just tuning in, please say hello. I like that. And yeah, it's a bit silent right now. I'm not used to that. Oh, wait a second, there's a lot of people. It just updated. Hello guys. There's at my screen it's just like one person watching, but I've already had a few comments. A lot of comments actually. So hello. So today I want to be working on a few features. I first of all want to fix the downside portals, and then I want to, as suggested by Azaro, who is I think here, yeah, like items going through portals and basically creating, how are they called? Companion cubes. So I have a separate monitor with Cubic Pro open, which I will actually shut down because I think, yeah, that's causing my problems. Running Minecraft and Cubic Pro alongside each other? Not a good idea. I don't know why. So, okay, yeah, that should fix up some stuff. Yeah, so let's actually get started here. Oh, my stream health is not too good. Let's actually check that. Bitrate is lower than the required for audio. Well, I'll just get started here and I'll see what's up later on. So yeah, first of all, downside portals. Like, let's first demonstrate this. This is like the portals right now, and they work perfectly fine. I might have a little internet issues, by the way, guys. So, yeah, this is portals right now, by the way. And when I go down, like the portal places itself here, which is not too good. I can actually place a portal right there as well, I think. Yeah, and then, yeah, so they do work. And as you see, infinite portals work, but they are like glitchy, so you have not infinite speed or something, which is too bad. Okay, I need to get into this streaming thing, so I'm a bit boring right now. I fixed up this, which is awesome. Previously it was in your face, and now it's not, which is awesome. It looks a bit less intrusive, intriguing, but hey, it's all you can get, right? So this is what it looks like in your hand, and I think that's good enough. So yeah, let's get straight into this. I think I had a solution planned for, I think this is locations 10 to 9 to 12. I feel so bad that the stream help is bad. I cannot really help it though. It's something with the internet. I must remind that I have coffee. You can probably hear me like getting the sugar in and stuff. I don't drink without sugar. Okay, let me get a sip real quick. Ah, that's better. So yeah, this is the down portal and the other one are the above portal. Hi people, we're just joining in. We're not doing too much yet. Okay. So basically what is happening is the item frame gets summoned right here. And then the armor stand should be summoned like in such a way that it's down, but it does not do it, which is odd. Maybe last one is like 6, 7 and up or something. Oh wait, there's 9 and 10 here as well. Oh no, this is just for the pose. Never mind. Oh, my stream elf is back up, which is great. Hey, summon a stick with a block. It will be fun. Summon a stick as a block. It will be funny. Like this. Dang it. Sorry guys. Can't do it. Can't do it. So yeah, this is pretty strange. So from location check 11 to this, yeah, we want to add place portal. We want to summon an armor stand, but for some reason it doesn't do it. So let's actually check if there is something going on. Let's troubleshoot for a little bit. So this is not working. This command here is not executing, while it should, or at least while we want to. So we'll put it in there. I think this is it, and then say hi. Okay, try again. Hi. So that works fine. No stick as a falling sand entity. Just getting back to the comment. I don't think I will. Oh, I know what will be happening. Game crashes, right? Okay, back to this. Wherever I left my command. There you go. So this here is not working. Summoning an armor stand at those locations with these tags does not work properly. So we'll just try something different here. We'll change the height to 1 and see what happens. Like it gets summoned right there. So yeah, that's a bit strange. Crashes and stays crashed. Yeah, let's not do that in the stream. 10 viewers already. That's good after 7 minutes. So hello everyone. Where is our command? I keep forgetting where I left it. There we go. No. Summon item frame, place portal. I think it's this one. Yeah. No. No. No, no, it is not. It is not. It is this one. It is. Okay, so it is saying hi. Perfectly fine. It's just not placing this armor stand at the correct location. I mean, summon armor stand. These locations. Tag equal to portal. What does this entity data command here do? What does it change? Holy crap. This summons an armor stand as well? What? Execute place portal, summon armor stand. Minus 0.5. This has a summon command here as well. Oh, that might be why it's interfering. Who likes mushroom soup? Me. I like mushroom soup. Well, yeah, it depends on which mushroom. If you just like mushrooms, the thing, then no, I don't. Really. 12 people watching. Awesome. Hello people who are just tuning in. We're not doing anything, just finding the issues of last stream. And drinking some delicious coffee alongside. So let's see what this does. Okay, that's quite interesting actually. So we have to get the other one of this 512. Okay, 53125, and a minus in front of it. Let's see what this does. If it actually changes, I'm already happy. Gosh dang it. It worked before. Oh. Okay. Which one did I change? Did I change the wrong one? This is the correct one, right? 9 and 10. Oh god, stream up is back. Too bad. It's probably someone in my house checking out what I'm doing right now, and then they ruin my internet connection. I told them not to, but a family, right? Well, this is exactly one block changed, so maybe if we just change this to 2, we can see more obvious changes. I really need to change the sounds of these because it's bad. I like coffee, me too. What about mushroom stew? Crabbers. Whoops. Wait. Okay, so if I like do it like this, there's nothing in here. Well, there is an armor stand here, so let's check. Holy crap. Kill every armor stand here. That might be why we are having issues. Oh, did I make this a say? Come on. Oh, there you go. Oh, this might be fixing issues actually. Okay, like, does this work now? No, but does it summon an armor stand? Right here. So yes, it does summon an armor stand, which needs to be killed. And it doesn't get a portal set. Okay. Okay, portals are not supposed to stack. No, I know. That's what we are figuring out, why that doesn't work. I mean, I have played the game. So execute that blue shot. Execute that portal. Do these guys have a tag of portal? Oh. I actually assumed they didn't. Secretly, I assumed they didn't. Let's check again. Blue shot. Get a portal. Hello. Execute at the tag of the portal to kill the blue portal. Let's check if the orange one were. Oh wait, let's first kill at E-Tag equal to fireball as well, because we are having issues before. Okay, no fireballs. No armor stands. Let's try the other one actually. Okay, let's check kill armor stand. Okay, so there was an armor stand. Let's try again. Let's get into spectator mode. Okay, entity data command. At E, radius of 4. Go. And now we are looking for tags. I would help, I am a noob. Tags. It's always hard to find this stuff. I mean, look how much information is linked to these guys. Invulnerable, show cooldown. Tags, portal. So for some reason that's wrong. Okay, let's check. For some reason they do not get the portal set to their head. Some armor stand. So let's see. Okay, and then executed the blue portal. Put the carpet to their head. Hi, I just joined. What did you do? Like nothing. So you're just good. And always you can always check the I hope it didn't mess anything up. No. There's always the current task, so you know what we are doing right now. I don't know why this is going wrong. I mean, wall portals still work, right? Yeah, that teleportation needs to be fixed as well. Yeah. But underground, I mean, it kills it. Then we go to spectator mode. There is an armor stand at that location. We don't want it, of course, but hey, that's intended. We put it here for a reason. But it doesn't get the blue portal to his head. Which is like really odd. Let's check the armor items. Hand items. Rotation. Why is this stuff never on alphabetical order? Or like logically put into order? Pose. Motion. Small. Health. Like it even has health. Hand items. Oh, armor items. Nothing. Okay. That means we're not having visual glitches, which is always really bad because you need to change your how you do stuff. 20 people watching. What's really good. Hello everyone. Execute a tag equal to portal. Oh, that's what it is. So if we do this like 5, we probably got the wrong one though. Wait, actually, let's check this. Entity tag portal. It's orange. Let's change the blue one as well, and we need to fix this for the other portals. So if we do it like this now, there you go. Works like a charm. So now the only thing is we need to change it to 0 because otherwise we will change other portals. If we have like an orange portal directly next to a blue one, it will change both to blue ones. Well, actually, no, it doesn't, because the tag is different. So we could actually keep it to like 2, which is, I mean, fine. And then let's position these guys properly. I mean 2 is far too much. That needs to be minus 1, I think. I mean, how much does this guy need to go down? It's now halfway. This block is 1, 2, 3.5 block down, which is minus 1.5 because we already had it at 2. Hi everyone. Okay, is it? I always keep scrolling too far. Summon armor stand 1.5, and it should be stationary at the ground, which is already something. We need to higher it up a bit, but that's like really it. And reposition it, of course. 1.5, it needs to be like 1.45, so it like goes up. Yeah, because we actually want to change the texture. What time is it where you live? It's 16:08. Like 4 p.m. It's GMT +1 time zone. Okay, this needs to be fixed as well because I shot right here. The portal is right there. We need it right there, and when we detect it is over, like there's a block here that's not this. We need to actually summon it one more there. Oh god, oh god, oh god. What's happening? I'm really concerned about my stream health, and I lost a lot of viewers as well, which is not great. But I know Team Wooloo is also streaming, so that might cause some issues viewer-wise, but yeah. Well, then people are missing something really cool. No, I don't know what they're missing. Another sip of coffee. I am not German, I am Dutch. Neighboring country. If I were German, you'd probably be able to hear it far more easily than I were not. Because I am not. So maybe we need to change this to 4.6. What was it? 875, and another minus. Let's check. Okay, that puts it straight onto the floor. Perfect. But we need it like have that moved, because now, of course, this is now fine. Floor portals in action. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so teleporting 2 floor portals is still a something bad. And we need to change hitboxes of this. Team Wooloo is not live. Oh, well then it's me. We had 51 viewers last time, so let's see if we can do better. But as I said, we need to change this to to find the correct location. So actually, let's copy this, Control X, so it's empty, because there's 2 command blocks that are not. Oh, is this? Okay, nearly the wrong command block. Is this the? Yeah, okay. We need it right here, so we can use this command block to do an execute detect. So execute at E. Didn't I have this somewhere already? Didn't I like have a command doing exactly that? Well, actually, we might make 2 summon commands here. So these 2 will be for 1. And are you going to Michael follow you? Yeah, you should real fight. Yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. So yeah. So that's at least the goal for today. I want to have that fixed, done, and working. Okay, so we want to do an execute detect at the place portal here. That's an item frame. It's a fixed position. Shouldn't be too difficult. So execute. Oh, here, just to detect. Detect. And then location. So it will be summoned right here. And then -Z and 1 down. So 1 -Z, 1 down. Detect -1, -1, stained, hardened. Oh no, just quartz, quartz block of any kind. Then summon it right there. So if I do it like this, portal will be right there. If I do it like that, it will not summon it. Wait, let's kill all armor stands real quick, because I have the feeling that I have a lot going on. No, just 2. Okay, if I put it right there, nothing happens. Let's try again. And if I put it right there, perfect. So that's what we want. I like when a streamer interacts with the community. Big streamers are like ignoring everyone, but that's, of course, I can relate to, or not relate, I can understand people like really big YouTubers and streamers that they do not interact too much with people, because of course they have a lot of subscribers and viewers in case of streamers, and when they have like a lot of people to interact with, people are easily ignored, because 100 comments a second is like nothing to keep up with. I know Azuma Void, I like to watch him as a streamer. yeah, he does really well in keeping up with that stuff. Okay, so let's kill the armor stand and let's try shooting it right there. Doesn't work. Okay, I just read a comment and it's actually quite funny about sending back in streams. I don't know how that would happen, but to detect quartz. Okay, this is the quartz. Oh, I know. This command block is not on. Okay, shooting it right there correctly. Should it doesn't. That is a fail as well. Okay, so check at this. Executed a place portal. If that is stained hardened clay, and if that is the case, summon the armor stand at a different position. For some reason, this doesn't work. Wait. But how? Oh, my stream health is back up. My viewers are way down. Doesn't really matter. If you have friends, just call them over. Stained hardened clay. Ugh. Let's not make my coffee cold. I hope that's not too disturbing, the sound of me just drinking a sip of coffee. Unknown command. Okay, let's try again. Perfect, that one works. Which is this one. But what I want... I can't hear your copy. Oh, great. That's great, actually. Is this the correct one? Wait. No. Huh? Wait, what? 1, 2... It's like not the same command here. I need to copy this, paste it in here, change this to a 1, and change quartz block to stained hardened clay. Hardened clay. Kill the armor stands to have a better visual representation. Oh yes, we did it. We did it. Thanks Syntax 3D for calling your friend. Teleportation is a bit minor, but it works. Which is awesome. Which is really awesome. We can also copy this now to... Is this it? Yeah. To the top one, because we also need a top portal. So we need to change this to 11 and 12. 17 people watching, which is cool. Really cool. XXXQQ. Oh, didn't I copy the command? Oh. Thanks, Benjamin, for notifying me on my syntax. If you watch my series about map making, you notice that I really I make a lot of syntax mistakes or spelling mistakes. Syntax is not my problem. It's like, yeah, really bad. So in this case we need to do this, and instead of summoning again, oh shit, right there, I think 0.555 would do good. Let's check how well this does. Okay. Oh, it's actually right on top of here. That's not what I wanted, but it's good in some way. In some way, it's good. Yeah, let's change this. It needs to be on the bottom, so that's like 1 block and 0.1 down, so it's 0.6 down. So this command right here, I got too far again. Minus 0.05. Let's see how that does. If it explodes, it does nothing. Well, that shouldn't have happened. There's actually two. Okay, so more down. More. Even more. Let's make it 0.25 and see what that does. Just a little bit of troubleshooting here. Probably still in it. Why does it summon two? I know why it summons two. It needs to go down though. Because there's this one and this one. That's why it summons two. So I'm not too upset with that. Detect the quartz block. And then summon the armor stand. Let's make it just -1. Because that should move it out of there. Oh, the crappers. This is not a problem. How is it even in the block? Let's check. Oh, because it's face down. We can make it face up. We can make it face up. That's why we have this guy here. So let's make it face the different direction, the other direction. Yeah, just -90. Did it. -90. Okay. Let's check how this does. Wait, what? I don't know which is the correct one, so now... Oh, lol, a black portal. Yeah. Okay, let's disable the one that we do not need. Do not want. And let's do it again. Crap. This is the black one. So it's like with its head in there. But when we change it to... Oh, I'm not in F1 mode. I'm in spectator. That just moves the portal around. It's still on the downside. Maybe it's... Is it the correct one we're changing? Yeah. Okay, let's actually put the carpet on this guy's head as well. So we can see how we are doing this better. Hello, guys. Oh, 20 people watching. Great. Thanks for joining in. So let's actually copy this. Oh, shit. Okay, put it in here. Well, that's not what we want. Okay, so I think we had this to 90 as well. The second or the third parameter was 90 as well. Okay, so that's not what we want. If we change that to -90, what does it do for us? Oh, yeah, that does it. -90. On the other one. Why so many dislikes? I can't even see the dislikes. That's maybe because of stream health. The stream health is not too great today. Might be my internet. We have really strange internet over here, so... Well, yeah, that's a good sign, actually. This. Let's remove you. Put the block back. And move you down a few blocks. And I guess it's 0.45. It's a wild guess. But for some reason... Ah, damn it. Nah. It's just a little bit too much. I just hope this would work. There you go. Perfect. So we have upside portals and downside portals. Well, we partially have. We need to do one more thing. And that is, if this is stained hardened clay of any kind, we want to move it one block more in this direction. Not two, just one. So if we, for example, remove this, shoot it at that block. Dang it. Where you is? Is this not working? Stained hardened clay. Execute at location check. Huh? What? I don't I won't make the oh I won't make him a falling sand entity, and that's for a good reason. Nice, this works. So oh, great. So now we have upside and downside portals. Awesome. And actually the upside portals are, like, teleportation wise perfectly working. I mean, this is cool, right? We just need to change the orientation, but what I want to fix first is the fact that if I, for example, place a portal right here, I get I as a player get teleported. So we actually have to find the teleport command, which I don't know where to find. I think this is just naming them. Yeah, and this, is this teleporting anything? Motions? No? Okay. Let's go on with our search. Kill, kill. Maybe it has to do with this. This teleports a lot. Yeah. There you go. This is freaking awesome. Thanks! There's just one thing. If I put the orange portal, for example, right there. When I teleport through it, I just fall down, which is of course expected. But when I do this, and I step on the correct spot, of course, I just plop down, which is not too awesome as far as I know. Ooh. Okay, so I get teleported once I shoot a portal. So when do I get teleported? Okay, it's just an orientation teleportation. That's. Can you send me the map so I can make the test chambers? No, sorry. I think I will make the test chambers. Maybe I'll do something with the community, but I don't really think so. Execute at the timer. Let's. Okay, who is getting the timeout? Everyone. Everyone is getting the timeout, and that's a problem. We need to change this to at P, because otherwise there are multiple entities with a timeout score. Is it just those 4? Because then we should have this fixed in like moments. Yeah. Then we should have this fixed right now. Yeah. Oh, and let's try this one again. That doesn't work. There you go. Awesome. So that works. That's already a whole lot done. Hello, Martinos. Hey, TPC. Thanks for joining in. There's a lot of guys I actually have seen around the channel, or actually know, which is awesome. Whee! It's still funny. Okay, or funny, just fun. Okay, so let's orange portal right. Orange portal plus. Oh. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Okay, so some teleportations are messed up. Good to know. This is no, we won't be able to break blocks, so that shouldn't be a problem. Okay, this is a problem though. So if you are teleporting to a problem, you're the best. Thanks. Thanks. And so okay, problem here. When you get teleported to this armor stand, the armor stand itself is like in the quartz block, which in itself is not too big of a problem. The problem here is that if you get teleported to it, you are in the block. So we need to find a way to actually we need to find a way to get the to determine which portal it is. So what did we do here to actually get the portal? We detected where the quartz block was, and based on that we teleported. Okay. So we could do exactly the same right here, I think. And then just teleport the player up. We won't do this. Detects a quartz block on its spot and then TP you like 1.5 up. And actually, that's it. That's really it. Okay, that was more easy than I thought. That was really more easy than I thought. Hi, what did I miss? Well, we finished the portals. They are now like floor and roof portals, which is awesome. And what we just did is we fixed coming out of these floor portals. So yeah, I think we have got a whole lot done. Only thing left for portal wise is momentum. So momentum is a bit different because we need to take an approach here. How are you going to do this? What you can do is you can get a spawn egg, cow spawn egg, cow is with an O, for example. Don't take this for granted. Something like this, spawn a whole bunch of cows. Okay, and then you will be, when you come near, you put a fence in there, then you will be propelled out. Time equal to go. That is the idea, but there's one thing wrong with it, and that is that it is extremely unreliable. That's from another project I have like finished over months. I've finished it for months and I still need to release it. Maybe tomorrow I'll make a video on it. That would be good. My coffee is getting cold. I need to finish it. Okay, it's already cold, so let me finish it real quick. For some reason, I always get my coffee cold, but it's it's done. Okay. So yeah, that was one approach with the cows and the entities and propelling the player with that, with the new collisions. But yeah, that's not going to work because it's unreliable which direction you fall, and you know Portal has these things like perfect. If you have the correct momentum, you will fall correctly. So yeah, that's one approach. The other approach you could have is teleporting. So like, oh, you have a certain momentum and then teleport them step by step. Thing with that is that it looks really ugly. It looks extremely ugly, but it is extremely reliable. So there's a difference in there. The other thing I thought of, which is reliable and not looking laggy, is arrows. Arrows give knockback. So if I get a bow, which is actually this guy, so yeah, that doesn't work. If I go to game mode 0 and I summon an arrow like 5 blocks above me. Oh crap. Let's kill those. Okay, they're already gone. Okay, so we need to make a distinguishment here at first. Maybe just attack equals not will do fine, and then when we summon them, like attack equals not. Wait a second, let me read comments. Can you make the start of a map or community so we can make a test chambers? I might. I have had an idea for making the community let them make test chambers. The thing is, I have to release my concept, and then we have then people could steal the concept basically and take that and use it for their own map, which is like really concerning in a way. So yeah, we might need to play a little bit. I might need to like disable certain parts, like models, not include models to start off with, and then do some other stuff, removing everything that is not really needed, and then we might let's actually make this not equal to momentum. Okay, so this should still work. Yeah. But if we summon an arrow with a tag momentum, so game mode 0 once more. So summon the arrow again and give it a tag of momentum. Tags equal to, or not equal to, and then momentum. Yeah, it actually hurts me, and as you see, when we look straight down, it moves you around. But what if we summon an arrow coming from this side, shooting me at a certain spot? It will move me that way for a fixed amount. And giving the arrow a punch enchantment will propel me faster or less fast. You get it? You're following me? Okay, so that's the plan. The only thing I don't know is how to summon an arrow with an enchantment. Which will be hard. So what we want to do is actually get in game mode 1. Entity data at e tag equal to momentum. And actually check if that is possible. So let's summon the arrow again. And it will be gone, of course. Let's actually do this so we can read the output. No output. There's the arrow. Okay, we have to do it ourselves. Entity data at e tag equal to arrow. Because I think arrows have a tag bound to them, like with an enchantment. So I think that should work. Okay. Underground dimensions. The enchantment is probably taken from the shooter's held item. Yeah, but I think the arrow needs to have a property to like do more damage or do more this, do more that. So yeah, there should be a property doing this. Motion, and I haven't checked this. Shake, damage. There's damage, and that might be influenced by an enchantment. There might be like knockback in here. Knockback in tile. UUID, position, tags, Y tile, Z tile, fire 0. There's some crazy stuff in here. In data 9B. Oh, it's actually disappeared already. In data. Okay, I'm going to look this up on the chunk format page and look for arrow. Spectral arrow is a separate entity. Okay, arrow. In data, metadata of the, okay, so yeah, metadata, player. If pickup is not used, it can be picked up by players. Life, damage, in ground, all projectiles. Let's see, in tile, okay, that doesn't work. Common entities. Is there something like knockback? I only need something that has knockback as a data to it. Glowing, passengers, silent, for if you want silent arrows. Air, fire, fall distance, rotation, position. There's nothing. Okay, if we disable this system for a second and give ourselves a bow with another bow, with an anvil, an enchanted book with actually punch on it. Punch 2. Okay, this looks weird. Okay, and then shoot in the ground, and then we'll do every type equal to arrow. And let's see what that changes, and if it changes. Pickup, in ground, rotation, border cooldown, life, fall distance, in tile, Y tile, shake. What is shake? What the heck is shake? Maybe it's in here. Yeah, shake. The shake when arrow hits a block. You serious? Okay. Furthermore, let's actually check what people are saying right now. Mob AI is glitchy. Maybe when you hit by a mob, it knockback weapon. It's not reliable enough. Okay. Let's actually Google this. Fixed knockback Minecraft. Knockback Minecraft. Knockback fixer, spigot. Can't really find anything. Life, fall distance. I've seen all this. But for some reason they should be different. If we do this right now, let's say high ears first. That was a bit of Dutch. What are those differences between those guys? They are nearly the same length. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a bit. So I don't think there's actually a tag bound to them. Maybe it's in their motion tag. Let's actually try that. Maybe it's in their motion tag. Let's make it one of those. Okay, and then summon arrow. And then what direction? Facing north. -Z. With a motion of, and then something like 1.0. Let's actually get my YouTube schedule or YouTube comments back. Creeper with an explosion 0. Explosion radius. Yeah, I don't want to use explosions, that's a problem. But thanks for the tips. It's not sure if okay, someone has posted a comment. I don't think I've read it. Disable the portal gun enchant and take the tag from that arrow. Wait, disable the portal gun, enchant it, and the tag of the arrow could work. Yeah, I checked it. Reaching 1 hour, yes. Okay, -Z was this. So game mode, let's actually get a button on that guy. Game mode 0. Okay, so from right here, how much does it propel me? Like nearly 1 block. Okay, let's actually change this to peaceful, so I regen my health normally. And if we change this to 4 to make it a little bit severe, what does that change for me? Nothing. See, that's what I mean. So what were the tags again that I can change? Motion, we've tried. Damage, I don't think that's it, but we can always try. On ground, dimension, portal cooldown, radius. Position? Is that like XYZ? I think so, right? Tile, fire, white tile, I don't know. Try direction. Is direction even in here? No, it doesn't have the tag direction. So that doesn't work either. I really thought I got this, thought this through. Apparently I didn't. I guess maybe if I just shoot an arrow. Do we have the entity data command ready? Okay. If we shoot it in the... Oh god. Why can't you shoot it? Oh. Give @b arrow 64. Or I could just go to game mode 1. Okay, now do the tag. Because now it's a different arrow. Because it's from an entity in the ground to an arrow in the air. So let's see what that changes. Pick up air 300 seconds. Seconds. S. I don't know what S is. On ground 0. Rotation is something. Live fall distance in tile air, which is good. UUIDs doesn't change too much. This is actually really odd, I think. I mean, when we go in game mode 0, we do this. Like, see what it changes. It like moves us all the way to here. And for some reason you can't do that with command blocks. Which is like odd. I mean, we could try and copy that. Let's put the entity data command in here. And I'm just trying stuff. Okay, let's go to your comments. Please try direction. Okay, I'll try. But I don't think it will work TPC. Knowing my things. I think this is just a tag that is belonging to how is it called? Fireballs motion. But yeah, I can. If I haven't tried it, I don't know for sure. And yeah, same result. I need to watch out. I'm shooting myself too much. Okay, so is this command in here? Yeah. Game mode 0. Shoot the arrow with this bow. Get it. And now we have its tags in here. So we'll copy that. And maybe if we now try this and we change the motion to something we actually like, for example rotation, we can remove. Well, first of all, let's first of all, oh god, no, I messed up. I pressed Ctrl C instead of Ctrl V, and now it copied that again. Okay. Daily life of command blocks, eh? Okay, let's try this, changing this one bit by bit. So rotation, let's try and change motion first, because otherwise the arrow will go in the wrong direction. So small d works for me. Oh, do I have the wrong d? Oh, sorry. I feel bad now. I need to try it again. Okay, -1. Let's check if this works. Maybe it's something with UUIDs. Doesn't work. Unable to summon objects. Well, ain't that great. It's to do with position, I think. Let's remove the position. Okay, let's try that again. Unable to. Oh, what is wrong with it? Unbalanced square brackets. Well, where do you... Oh. Oops. Unable to summon object. Is it because of the UUID? Okay. Handled by the code that aren't stored in MBT. You can't summon them with enchants. I figured so. But we can always try this. I mean, let's just summon the arrow of the same MBT data. And maybe because it's stored in the MBT or UUID, sorry. Maybe that changes stuff because it's stored there, and maybe that does things for us. UUID least. Playing with UUIDs. Okay, and there you go. Let's... No, I think it's UUID here that's causing the actual problem. I mean, this is just motion, right? Yeah. And that's fine. RCJ doesn't believe it exists. No, I only know that... no, okay. That's my problem. UUID least, UUID most. I don't think I can summon them with UUIDs. Can I? Oh. Damn it. We need to find an... Wait. Oh. Kill at E-type equal to arrow. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Let's try. Dang it! Okay. I need to ban some people again. I had this last time. Report block user. Bye bye. Okay. Yeah, we can't. Yeah, people are saying like summon them with summon skeletons with bows and with punch in it, which could happen, but they don't shoot me as regularly as I needed. I needed like in a specific tick. So yeah, and that's okay. Dang it. One. So yeah, that's a problem. So I think we have to go with the teleportation, which is really bad. Teleportation is like too bad. Is there anyone else with an idea? You can... Oh. I was just asking for ideas, but Crollo and Profo channel, if that's even correct, has a very good idea. You can summon an entity, like not an arrow, but an armor stand, for example. And I've actually done this before, but for some other reason, my brains just didn't want to cooperate in this plan here. That you can actually summon an entity with motion. And if you teleport the player to it, it will look a little bit laggy, but I think it will work. And what we could also do as a last thing is we could like make it an animation. If you want to have it straight, then like set a player and fix in a certain spot, you see and fly and then teleport to it. If that doesn't work, okay. So let's do a little thing here. Let's first of all move this guy back. No, let's first of all check if we can actually get the falling momentum, because there's a scoreboard objective. Scoreboard objective set display, add fall, and it's a fall distance. Food stat dot distance fallen. I guess distance fallen. Oh, let's fly. Fall 1 centimeter, and if we scoreboard objective set display sidebar to the side, fall. When you fall in game mode 0, that is, there you go. It's a score. Oh, hello, Firemaster. Have I missed like a comment of you because of your reaction? You need to have levitation. That's a good one. Summon skeletons with a bow with punch. Yeah, I've heard that comment a lot of times before. The problem with it is, let me change this. Like, there you go. It's a lot higher now. But the problem with that is skeletons do not shoot on a regular basis, which is like really bad. Because I need them to shoot in a specific tick. So summoning an armor stand is then I think the way to go. Can I sub? You can subscribe as much as you want. I do not have a PS3. No, sorry. Well, my brother has one, but I don't play on it, so you know. The skeleton doesn't need to shoot. Wait, okay, what are people saying here? Okay, the arrow just needs the same UUID. Hello, people. Okay, TPC, explain. Explain. He is saying something of that skeletons do not need to shoot, but you just need to get the UUID of the arrow. Because we just saw UUID doesn't work. Dang it! And I think, after all, I will go for this because it's more reliable. But the thing is, I need to check if the score gets set when we fall into a portal. No. So when we hit the ground, that's when it sets it. Game mode 0. Okay. First of all, we can do this. So once you teleport through a portal that's going down, you get like teleported right in that portal. We can set a invisible block at your feet, which will set your score. Then we'll remove that block, and then we'll summon the armor stand. Hi guys. I subscribed. Well, that's awesome. Okay, we're 1 hour in, 26 viewers. I'm really happy today. Let's get this done. So let's write out our plan, because I know that writing out plans is like really good. So if you have a command block creation you want to write it down, it helps. So first, set block after TP. So after the teleport, set a block. Then the score will update. Remove block. After that, summon the armor stand. Yeah, that will do. And then TP to armor stand. There we go. So that's what the plan will be. Let's make some space for this. Therefore, we first need to determine which portal is down, if there is a portal down. So, which will be really easy. Execute at E tag equal to set portal. And we will do a detect command. What's happening? I just joined. Well, we are now working on momentum. So working on falling through portals and then flying out of the other one. Basically. So detect if this guy is actually in a block. A quartz block. And if he is, we'll entity data at E tag equal to set portal C equal to 1 radius equal to 0, and we want to add a tag to him. No, so we won't do an entity data, we will add it. So scoreboard player players tag at E add floor portal. There we go. So if we do say at E tag equal to floor portal, we should have one response. There you go, and that will be this armor stand, which is nice. So yeah, is this stream not too bad? Because I have this stream health is really bad message from YouTube. So a little question, is it bad? Is it laggy? Is it whatever? Yeah, okay, thanks for the tip, Mark Simmons, with the levitation. That's a good idea. Will be more complex, so we need to add it. Summon armor stand, TP to armor stand, give effect, then landing, and kills armor stand, Remove effect. Remove levitation. Okay, and this will be give levitation. There you go. It's just fine. Oh, thanks. Okay, then I do not need to be worried. YouTube being YouTube. Okay, I need this enchanted portal gun out of my inventory. Yeah, I'm getting annoyed by it. This is how it should look. By the way, did you see my last video, guys, about mypack.ml, the website that I made? It's a really good video. You should watch it after the stream. What was I doing? That's a good one. When you start talking, you forget stuff. Okay, so we have the floor portal set. So after you teleport, actually before you teleport through a floor portal, you need to have a tag set. Okay, we can do that. Okay, this will be a chain command block and execute at e tag with the floor portal in array. Okay, and then scoreboard players tag at sp in a radius of 0 add through floor. I mean, this is not going to be a one command, so it does not need to be like syntax small and stuff. So this should, when we go like this, then scoreboard players tag tag list. Dang it, didn't work. And did it now? No. That's too bad. Okay. Floor portal. Stack TP. Oh, yeah, that's why. Mind your syntax, guys. Okay, let's try again. In a fall. Okay. Oh, I actually walked over it, so that might. Oh, it didn't even give me. Ha ha ha. Does it actually update my fall score? No, because I'm in creative mode, of course. Scoreboard play stack added through floor. Fail to execute that. Okay. I'm seeing a score of shift. I don't know even know what shift. What did I miss? Not too much. Just a bit playing around. I mean, I thought I saw you around, so. When is it? Okay. This is the teleporting from the one portal to the other. TP epi a radius of 0. Oh no, it's in a. Oh, we need to change this. We need to change a lot of stuff here. RCG, could you make it where the portal is underground? You could teleport it before you hit, so you may maintain your momentum. We are working on that right now. Yeah, we are working on it right now. So funny how many people ask that, but it's just what we are working on. So tags equal to blue portal. Okay. So this needs to be changing because the normal let's actually, yeah, the normal portals, they have their hitbox on these two blocks, which is fine. The thing with this is this has its hitbox one block above it, and it needs to have it one to the side as well, which we need to change. Oh man, I don't want to do this right now. I just want to continue with what we're working on. Server name. I'm not on the server. I am not on a server. It's a single player. I had that question last time as well. People assume that when you're streaming, you're on the server, but I'm not. Update the task. I think my task is still fine. Let's check. Properties. Simulating gravity. Yeah, it's still fine. At least that's the task I wanted, so. Okay, so executes at e tag equals to not through floor, which is with a small t. And then this radius equal to 0 and c equal to 1. Okay, we need to copy that. No, we need to copy this and apply that to the orange one as well. This is the orange one. Radius equal to 0, c equal to 1, comma. Okay. That way we can make the exact same system, but for the other portals as well, for the through floor portals. So actually, am I doing this correctly? I am using dx, dy, and dz for hitboxes. Can you open up to grapple so I can join? No, sorry, I don't have grapple actually. And I don't need people to join actually. I wouldn't like. Yeah, no. Let's stop the conversation right there. I don't think I need to change this particularly. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I need to move this all 4 blocks forward. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's getting close to our testing zone. Through floor when adding the tag. You missed HH. Oh, NH. Oh, he's actually right. But then still it's not working. And we still need to change this. So I do not mind too much. So it's a simple fix. This needs to be conditional. This needs to be conditional. This needs to have the thing removed. And its hitbox needs to be changed into, well, let's see, negative z. So it's dz minus 1. This one had it removed, right? Yeah. And we need to do exact same thing for this one. Timeout. Oh, dz is right here. Missed it. And remove this thing. And let's check if that is working. So let's check if the hitbox has been updated. So if we move right here. Dang it! Let's do this. Oh, wrong button. Wrong button. Can I beta tester if it's done? If it's... yeah, I don't know. I can't remember people's names, but of course. I'll probably make a beta test of this, so... Did I make the through floor one again wrong? Wrong? Okay, so it doesn't teleport me here either. Okay. That one is working. Okay. Okay, so hitbox has not been updated. This doesn't work. Oh. And this, oh, crappers. I need to move the orange portal because it's in a difficult location. I have that not enabled. This will go terribly wrong. Yeah. Okay. Hey, it actually worked. Okay. God, what is happening? Okay. Jesus. I'm getting annoyed by this. dy1. Did I have that wrong? Okay, that doesn't work. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. Okay. Someone is saying that I have not set the dy. Wrong. 1? I think I have. dy equal to 1. Yeah. And it's correct because the middle one here works, but just the one above doesn't. If I change this to not be active and this to not be active, I should not be teleported, and I am. Which is wrong. Oh, that's my throat, I think. So execute at E with a tag of not equal to through floor. And then to execute at the orange portal, TP me to the blue portal, so we actually need the other one. So this guy has a tag of through floor, so it... Oh, no, it has a tag of floor portal. Oh god, sorry. I just nailed this. I nailed this. It's so bad. Oh. Hi people. It's not as crowded as last time. Back then it was really crowded. Last time we had 50 and now we had like 30 max. I don't know. But I think the ambience was different as well. I had music on, but I didn't because I had copyright issues. So now... Dang it! Oh, well that works. Somewhat. Oh, there we go. Okay, and now... Yeah! We did it! It works! dy is too low. No, dy is fine. Didn't activate the command point. Yeah. Some people are just a little bit smarter than me. But then again, working with 4 people at a time, or with 19 and 1 is 20 in total, it's different. But we have this working, so now we can work on this system here. And we have quite some time left to actually do that, which is awesome. So... let's not do that actually. What do we need to start with? We need to set a block after you teleport. So after you teleport with the through floor. So actually, I do not have this set. And how did I execute at either floor portal? Oh yeah, now we could change this. We can change this to dz equal to -1 and dy equal to 1. And now, once we hop through this, what? Okay, we hop through this. It teleports us immediately back. Okay. No. Ooh. This. Through floor. Yes! Okay, that's what we wanted. Okay, execute at E. Tag equal to through floor. Set block barrier. Oh god, oh god. Disable. Maybe I'll choose a visible block first. Well, this is somewhat visible. It's fine. Okay, then execute at E at A with a score. What RP are you using? The base one is not a custom one. What's an RP? What's an RP? I don't know what an RP is. Execute at A with a score of fall minimum equals 1. Set block. No, it will be a fill command because we only want to replace barriers. Resource spec. Oh. The base one is not a custom one. I am using just my own resource spec. Fill, oh, just like this. Air 0 replace barrier. And then we want to, okay, so that's not working. Now working, sorry. Actually first, oh, we want to scoreboard players set at a fall to 0. No, don't we? Do we? No, we don't. We don't. At the end we want to do that. Okay, scoreboard players set RGG productions fall to 0. Now, okay, we want to go up here. Actually, does this work as far as we know? Oh yeah, and we want at this time we want to remove the tag as well. Scoreboard players remove at a players tag at a remove through floor. There you go. Oops. And then game mode 0. There we go. So we fell and we had our fall score set. Let's actually make this wall a little bit higher. And let's put it right there. Okay, so now we can test this. Okay, that works now. We have a fall score. And now is going to be the tedious part, because we are going to do a lot of execute attacks and a lot of summons. I'm not going to make boots that negate fall damage, because you can have feather falling 1000, but you can still take damage from fall. So it's just 4 is the maximum, and everything higher just has the properties of 4. I will just do it. How's it called? Resistance, I think. Yeah, I think we'll do resistance. Okay, set my fall score back to 0. So first thing, execute at A with score of fall equal to 1. Minimum equals 1. Yeah, you can also have jump boost, but the thing is, when the game has a tick lag, you get thrown up in the air. Which is a problem. You can also just use levitation, but I'll just go for resistance, which is just fine. Fall minimum 1, and we want to summon armor stand and call it momentum. Or give it a tag of momentum, so tags momentum. And after that we'll start fall to 0. Scoreboard players set at a fall to 0. I actually want to type 2. Damn me. Okay. So this, if we go to game mode 0, should have summoned an armor stand. But it didn't. It didn't even reset my fall score. Which is weird. Is this even on? No. That might be it. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Well, that's a little weird. Oh, I'm in game mode 0. That's why. Okay. So maybe we need to set the barrier at your feet. That might be fixing stuff. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. It's 2 armor stands. But that's because I fell again. So score a fall and a tag of through portal. Did it? Through floor. Okay. We need to swap those around. That's not going to work. Let's actually clear our full inventory. Oh, I removed my portal gun. Bow. I actually think I put some more effort in this. I think that looks quite cool. Okay, so we're swapping those 2 around. Let's see what that does for us. Sorry, the stream is getting a little bit boring. I understand. Okay, so no armor stand. No armor stands. Which is not too good. Through floor is indeed what it's called. And I made it dough floor. There's an enchantment level that makes you not be able to jump. One that makes you... I don't know if there's an enchantment for that, but... Okay. This should be 1 armor stand. Yes! Okay, so that's not working. Now we want to do stuff with that armor stand. So... execute at E. Tag equal to momentum. Detect. I think this is the first one. Positive X, yeah. Quartz block. I know I forgot something. I'll change it right now. There we go. Just joined. Hey, we're just making momentum like working. I want to work on companion cubes today as well, but I don't think we will get to it. Which is a bummer. Okay, so let's try this again. So detected there's a quartz block right there, and then well, execute at E at A tag equal to through portal. No, we don't need it. We don't need to score. Score of fall minimum equal to... I mean, what scores are we getting right now? 500 maybe? 500. Because we're testing this and we need to work on it. Score of fall equal to 600. So between 500 and 600, we want to give it a motion. Entity data at E tag equal to momentum, and we want to give it its motion of 0. No, wait, -6. That might be a bit too much though, to be honest. Oh, and there we go. So we'll check this. Ah, game mode 0. Okay. If you try testing this with another player, so it's compatible with multiplayer, it won't be compatible with multiplayer, because Portal isn't multiplayer as well. So yeah, I have not tried it. AMD quad core, Yeah, quad core is like normal right now. So yeah, I've got an AMD FX quad core 4.2 gigahertz processor. It's a pretty beefy one. I need a better graphics card though, but it runs the stuff fine. And it is very good at streaming. Well, rather good. Why is this not working? Oh, fall is reset, of course. Ha ha ha. And just get you empty. Yeah. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, that made me fall real quick. Did I set the wrong motion? No. What actually happened? Portal 2 has multiplayer, but it doesn't. I won't be implementing the multiplayer part. So I won't be doing the how are they called? Akipo? No, Akipo is a YouTuber. Okay. Why is this dude here not getting motions? Maybe because of this. Let's remove that now. Check if it works without. Not going too far. Yeah, there you go. It was 400. So yeah, is that realistic? No, it isn't. So if we fall from, how many blocks is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. We want to be moving that amount of blocks that way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think about half is good. Playing 1.6.4 Forge while watching this is so laggy. Yeah, watching YouTube videos and playing Minecraft or playing any other game is never a very good idea for not too beefy PCs. So we'll add this back in for 400 to 600. Let's make it, and let's make this free. And we'll make another system and right on top of it execute at e-tag momentum kill. Oh, we want to detect command here. Detect as not air, as air. We want to scoreboard players tag. Oh, this is going to be What are you playing? I am playing Minecraft. What do you think about 1.9? I think it's really great, but I don't think the changes will be able to compete with the changes we got in 1.8. So I think the 1.8 update like opened up the world for one command blockers, map makers, and 1.9 just adds to it. So it's good, but it's not new, if that makes sense in any way. By the way, guys, just to stand still, if you are on Google Plus, I have a Google Plus page, and I'll actually link it to you. A command blockers page, plus.google.com. I'll link it in the description. It would be really nice if you would join that community, because having some people on there sharing your stuff, it would be really cool. So I'll post it right here. Will also be in the description. G plus community. Let's add it to. There you go. So if you want to join, then yeah. If you want to join, it would be really cool to have some members. We have 9 at the moment, so having a bit more is not too bad. Score player tag at e-tag go to momentum. add in air. We'll actually copy that. We need a scoreboard for this. Scoreboard objectives add in air dummy. Scoreboard players set in air to 0. Copy this, put it here, set it to 1. Remove this, and then kill at E tag of score of in air equal to 0. So this should mean that when momentum gets flown off, yeah, so when it hits the ground, it gets killed. Ooh. Okay, this is not what should happen. Clear, remove through floor. Okay, okay, so do not go through there. Can't open the link. Let's check myself. It works fine for me. Oh, 13 members, so a lot of new members, real quick. Thanks for that. And thanks to yourself as well, because you will have a lot of information for there. I'm playing a map crawl. Oh, you're just having a chat. Okay. Look in the upper left corner. Yeah, that's what we are doing right now. Didn't we change the motion to -3? Let's make it -1. Let's see what that does. Is there still barrier blocks in here? Is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of them. Straight from the portal. Are they all gone now? No. Okay, now they are. Okay, game mode 0. Dang it. Because the system is not fully working yet, I'm getting issues. Oh, oops. I actually need a block really bad. Trying to have Chrome in one box, Minecraft in the other box on one desktop. Yeah, that's a bit difficult. I have 2 monitors, it makes it a lot easier. Link doesn't work for mobile users. Oh, that's too bad. Let's actually check if we can get a mobile. Well, let's... this is what it's called for all mobile users. Let's put it in the chat. Okay, so just... Okay. Check this. Search for what I just put in the description. On Google Plus you should find it. You should find like a drawn command block in as a picture. If that makes sense. Oh, that laugh. That laugh was real bad. So why is this motion so extremely big? Let's make it like 0.3. And let's see what that does for us. Game mode 0. Okay, that puts it right here. So for this distance I think we can call 1 fair. 1 O. So let's check how many of you guys are now in there. 10 members, 13 members. Nice. My throat is getting a little bit sore. So this should be good now. And now TP add P to add E tag equal to momentum. And this should actually simulate momentum for this only occasion. Well, that worked fine, didn't it? I mean, I'm pretty proud of that. So let's try again. Right here is where we get. Let's actually change this command to be not -1 or -0.1. And then I think okay, so we're now right here. Yeah, I think that will be good. So just a little bit more motion, I think. 1.5, and that should do the trick. So if you fall like this distance, you go to right here. Is that fair? No, it's too much. It's too much. But I think this is like a really good start of something. So the only thing we need to do now is free this, make this more open. Because we will have 4 fall distances, I think. 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. This will be distance 3 out of 4. So we'll have this and this. This one will be for a fall from 1 to 200. This one will be from 201 to 400. This one will be from 401 to 600. And this one will be from 601 and up. And then remember that we have to like copy this. I might need to add more if we want to go higher. So let's say we want to have a very big fall map. We might need to change, add some more for this. But for now, I think this will work. So let's remove 0.3 every time. So this will be, or 0.4, I think. So this will be 0.8, and this will be 0.4. And then this will be 0.6. So that will mean that once I fall from this distance, from a lower distance, that's like really low. Oh, what? What is happening? What is happening? Okay. Was I too low? Was I too low for this? Oh, there it is. Okay, so I might have messed some things up here. Okay, let's shoot a portal right there. Oh. There you go. A little bit of finicky stuff, but hey. There's one there as well. Okay, put you through the floor again. So from a low height, we'll bring you right here, but that was over 200. That's what I saw. Oh, game mode 1. That was over 200. They should add 1.9 command update. Yeah, somewhat. I think what I will do. Well, no, I don't think so. Never mind, I might, yeah. So what I will do, what I was planning on doing, is changing this to a 4, changing this to a 4 and a 6, and basically upping them all a bit. We might need to change the values now, but that doesn't really matter. It's just experimenting for now. Experimenting is the fun part. So this way we can have higher fall distances, because low fall distances, yeah, not really a difference. Okay. So we need to have some distance right now to get the higher. Okay, with this one. And we should be able to go even faster if we go really high up. Yeah, that could happen, of course. It kills me. Well, at least that gives us the trigger to give ourselves resistance. Effects at a resistance. 10, true. So now we should have resistance. There we go. And resistance 10 will negate every damage you take. So we should be able to take a fall from here. And we will get right here. So, but we have four distances, so we missed one. 0.4, 0.8, 0.6. So I think we missed the lowest one. Yeah. So these are the fall distances. I'm a Portal lover. Thanks. No one makes Portal in Minecraft good, but you make it great. Thanks. I really want to improve on that. I've seen a lot of concepts and I didn't want to make the mainstream one, so I started block modeling and stuff. So yeah, this is the following. I think we should add 0.2 to everything, to some stuff, because this is really not too good. So you will be 9. Well, let's make it in increments of 5. So this will be 0.5. You will be 1.0. You will be 1.5, and you will be 2.5. Yeah, let's make it bigger. So yeah, that's momentum in one direction. No bands. No bands. My portal gun. Okay. And actually, we could make some really good puzzle already with this, which is good. So let's remove this. And next time, we'll actually finish this real quick. I have seen that we have this empty command block right here, so we'll remove that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think we can get this guy away of here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have actually had some friends who thought my English 3 reminded it of the how is she called? The teacher from Harry Potter. I don't know what she's called, but she's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, it really looks like that. They say. Okay, I just got here. What have we done with the mechanic and demonstrated so far? Okay, you've just missed the demonstration, but I will demonstrate it again. This is what we have so far. Teleportation. Somewhat teleportation, yeah. So yeah, momentum, that's what we call it. And yeah, so a large number is like really fast. Okay, so remove this and put one right here, and that's what we got to do for 4 of these. Remove you and put you right here. This way it will work in a negative X direction as well, which is a good thing. And now we want to work in the Z directions, which actually means that we need to copy some stuff over. Control C, 0.0, and put you right here, and you right here. So that's 1. Okay, -1, delete that one, make you an O, a 0, no, and put the 1 right here. This is just the tedious part of doing these kind of projects. Is that it's like this takes time, a lot of time. Oh, and I actually forgot to change this with the last one. Do not forget anything when copying large amount of command blocks. It's a pain. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to actually copy those 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you want to make momentum going down from a portal to a down portal? Oh, geez, I totally forgot. I don't think that will be really in the game yet. Yes, yeah. No music. No, sorry. I had copyright issues, so I am looking for music where can get licenses for, so I can use music. So no, sorry. Can you make an infinite loop? Yeah, you can. I already demonstrated. Like, you can make an infinite loop. Let me show you. There you go. Infinite loop. Oh. Let me actually... apparently not. Sorry. I messed up my own system. Okay, so we need to think of that as well. So, like that, picking the floor again. So apparently infinite loops are not possible. Not yet. So if we want to implement them, if there is a map where you can actually do it, and we don't want the map to glitch out. So, yeah. No copyright sounds, no, because you actually need licenses for them. You can listen to them for free, you can download them for free, but if you use them in your music, in your videos, you need a license, a certain license. So I got copyrights in the last one as well. RCG, remove the resistance command block. Is always an active repeating command block. It's getting annoying. Wait a sec. Wait, what? Remove the resistance command block and put this in an always active repeating command block, so you don't get annoying damage sounds. Well, with the fall resistance, you get annoying damage sounds as well, and this is with resource packs. So if I want, I can actually remove the damage, the falling sound, if I want to. I also want to change the bow shooting sound. So yeah, I want to change that as well. So yeah, no infinite loops for as far as we have it right now. Okay. So let's actually test if this now works in this direction as well. And I'm going to be honest, I think my testing range is too small. Okay. Let's test. Okay. Fall through the portal in game mode 0. Yep, works fine. Works perfectly fine. Oh, getting some love hearts in the chat. Okay, so this side works fine now as well. Have we actually changed this one? No. So let's quickly change it, and then I think we can call it a day. We're nearly on an hour as well, so I think, or on 2 hours as well. So we might be able to finish in exactly 2 hours. Which sounds rather good. But we won't, because I need to do my outro thing. Okay, so it should work in all directions now. So let's put a portal right there. If it actually wants to operate. Seems like it doesn't. Do you need to shoot the bottom block? Didn't I fix the top block for this side? I did it for other sides, right? Oh, I didn't. Okay, interesting. Another bug we need to fix, and probably I will fix. But we'll do it like this for now. Come on, shoot it right there. There you go. Remove this, so we can actually fall through this portal. Uh-oh. Oops. Okay. Would you like to Skype? I would love to... I would love to make probably an adventure map with one of the best command blocks of all time. Not right now, of course. How are you going to move all the command blocks that you're to the map you are making? I'm not making the map yet, and if I want to move them, I'll just use MC Edit. I'll just copy them all over, and this might be the map where I will make it eventually. So, yeah. So about the make a Skype make a map together. You might know. Let's actually sit down for this in like this. You might know that this is actually a topic that I get asked a lot, just a lot. Many people ask this. So of course, if I had the time to play with everyone, of course I would, but I can't. I do not have time. I do go to school. I do have my job. I do have some other stuff in my life. I do have my YouTube channel, which I need to keep up. So there's a lot of stuff I need to do. And I can't. And a lot of people are really sweet, like, "Oh, you're the best guy. Could you make a map with me?" But it's just not possible. I could do one, but the thing is, I can't do it with the one and not do it with the other, because you all are at the same level for me. Actually, everyone in the whole world is on the same level. They're all humans. If you're talking about President Obama, yeah, I think if President Obama asked, I might have a different opinion about that. But that's a different thing here. But yeah, there is like a certain thing here. I can't really make a map with everyone. So if anybody here is wanting to ask for a while, I can't make a map with you. I'm so sorry. What's your job? I don't have an answer to this. Is that too personal? I work at the local store, at the supermarket. How do you know how you make a... So okay, so that's basically the end of my talk here. And if you go to other YouTubers, other command block YouTubers, they will probably answer right about the same thing. It's a difficult topic. Okay, so I have a question here. How have you or okay? Oh, I love it when people talk in like speech language. Have you or how to make a working gun mechanic? It's really easy. I can quickly show you. It's one command block you can use for that. One command block, and not in a one command, but it's like where is it? Here. Execute at every arrow. So when you have a bow in your hand, execute at the arrow. Summon fireball with the direction and motion tag set, and that basically is it. I was looking for like a programming or something. Lol. Anyway, remember me. I have seen you around, Donald. Sorry. I've seen you around. Yeah, you have been around on the channel for a long time. So that means that when I wasn't like the size I am now in YouTube wise, then I notice people and I see them when they come back. I notice people far better. But even then, it's hard to play maps with each other. I have done some of that, but the guys were Swedish and the guys didn't really speak English. And then going to a server which was like really low priced and it was a bad server. It was really bad. Hey, Automatic Snowball, I think you're probably really late because we're shutting down real soon. Because we are actually done here, I think. Nice that you tuned in, though. So yeah, oops. Let me actually get my portal gun back. I don't know where I left it. There it is. This is still an issue. This is an issue. Because it shouldn't be like this. Hadn't we fix this? Didn't we fix this? I think we fixed this, right? Yeah, we put it right here. I thought we fixed this. Oh yeah. No, we didn't. We didn't. Okay, and we'll have to look into that another time, I think. Or is there like 2 command blocks for every 3, 4, 5, 6? No. I like commands, but I'm still learning. I'm probably going to make 1 command machines. Tips for people who are just starting off with command blocks and stuff. Don't try to overdo yourself. Just do something that is unique, not like make another machine that doubles ores. I mean, there is like 80,000 of them around. So okay, yeah, a lot of people gonna see my name anyway. Okay, you make the Witherstorm mob in only 1 command block. Someone did that. The Spellbook, it's a friend of mine. It's he's in my country. I know him very well. He made the Witherstorm. Mr. Mackistein made it as well. So and he has like 50,000 subs. So I don't know why you haven't seen that, but I mean, no offense though. Yeah, I want to change this so the portals work on top side as well, like this, on top sides, because now we have this, and it should be 1 down. I want to make that work, but I don't know if we should do it right now. It requires 4 command blocks to do, and I know how to do it, which, yeah, let's do it right now. So, okay, so we need to move these. Oh wait. 7, 8. Okay, yeah, we need to move everything that's on top. Let's see if this fits. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then put it all back. Oh. Okay. And then we have, I think, starting off right here. Yeah. We need to copy those over and put them right in here. No, let's actually remove them first. Okay, execute at, yeah, that's execute at place portal, and then we need to do a detect for a quartz block. -1. Okay, I made it. Someone made the Witherstorm boss. A lot of people made it, I know. So, and then we have that location. So 1, 2 is right here. So, oh, whoop, that's not what I want. It's positive X. Positive X. So if on the positive X, positive Y, it is a quartz block, then we'll be fine to summon the correct one. Okay, so put those wrong. Put them right here and right there, and we'll copy that. Oh, let's actually like that. 3 and 4 are right there, so it's a minus. Just a simple minus right there. 5 and 6 are right here, so that's positive Z. I'm getting tired, to be honest. I'm getting quite tired. And then this one is, of course, like so. Oh, did I put this on Z all the time? Alright, am I for real? Oh, dude. Okay. Can you notice I'm getting tired? I think I'll take a bath. I think I will. Detect. And this needs to go to the Z then. Did I put it in here? No. And then a minus. Okay. Last thing to do before we can end today. What time is it for you? It's noon where I live. It's 6 o'clock p.m. 6 o'clock p.m. Yeah, that's what it is. 6 in the afternoon. Quartz block with stained hardened clay. Hardened clay. We'll copy that over. And this guy needs to be one down. So it's like this and like this. I have not tested this and I'm just hoping it works. If not, I'll fix it off camera. Well, probably not. I cannot leave you guys with errors. You can't make a program that doesn't work. You should have told me that when I started off YouTube. I got to go. Bye, Restaurant. Who is actually my editor. Oh, Jody Chen, you better go to sleep. Well, it's nice that you watch my streams in the evening. Where did my portals go? Did I kill my portals? I probably did. Oh no, they're over here. Never mind. Okay. So now is the big question. Does this work? Okay, yeah, of course we have to have stained clay above it. Wait, that is actually correct. So if we put it right there, that works. If we put it right there, that works. If we put it right there, that works. And for the orange portal, let's put you right there. Nice. So that works. Guys, we're actually done with the portals. Whoa, wait, we're nearly done. Nearly done. The only thing we need to do is this. There you go. And now we are done with the portals for players. I think we have accomplished something here. So I actually want to set myself just like last time. Let's add type equal to armor stand. I want to set myself a little obstacle course. A little obstacle course. So this will work. This we can use. And I think we should have something like this. Right here. So I think we have everything set up right now. Okay. Assuming that we can't jump. Now, assuming that we can't jump. Okay. We need to get to there. So we can't use this wall. It doesn't matter how we do it. Blue portal right there. Orange portal up there. And we can aim at the top block now, which is awesome. Okay. Oh, and we're back. Shift. Okay. And now we can put the blue portal down there. Dang it. How is this broken? I am in game mode 1. That's how it is broken. Okay, let's try again. Kill the armor stands. Okay, game mode 0. Make the portal glow when you hold the portal gun like they go. How do you mean that, Jody Chen? How do you mean by what you just... What did you mean with what you just said? I need arrows. That's another thing we need to fix. In Game Mode 0 you need arrows for this, so we might need to constantly stack the player's inventory with arrows. Give them arrows, a lot of arrows. Okay, put that in the other hand. Should it up there. Come on. Why are you not working? Dang it. Okay, it is working. It's just not reaching that block correctly. There you go. Okay. Now the blue portal down here. Yeah. Are you ready for this? Whee! Ah, that's too far of a fall. Dang it. Okay. Okay, I want to do... Yeah, okay, so if we had done something like this. There we go. Woo! So, guys, that is Portal in vanilla Minecraft. It is done, it works, it is awesome. I'll just do a simple thing here. Replace item at a entity at a slot dot inventory dot 7 dot 8 with arrow, and that should fill my slot here with an arrow. Good. Okay, so Jolly Chen has affects the armor stand with a glowing effect. I have not updated to the snapshots yet. I am still in 15W51B, so the armor stands will have a will not have the glow around their heads thing, but around themselves. So that is actually a thing to do. I'll write it down. Thanks for the tip. It will be really good because then indeed what's also in Portal, you can see them through walls, which is of course something we'd like. So thanks for that. Thanks, Jacob, for the lovely, lovely message. So yeah, that will be all for today. I think I'll just play a little around with this because I really like this. Well, we can do this on camera. I mean, why not? So let's make a command here. Give at pbow10 with a custom name of portal gun, and of course I'll change it in the lang file otherwise, and unbreakable true. Put a pressure plate on top. Nah, a button will do. And now we have a aperture portal device, to say so. So this is working. The orange portal is right there. Shift to get out. This is actually really fun to do. Blue portal right there. There you go. Woo! I love this. I love this so much. Yeah, okay, I think I'll go now. I'll leave it today. We are at 2 minutes 18. I think we did really well today. I think next stream we will work on the companion cubes, actually modeling the companion cubes as well. So we'll do that on camera. And I hope to get them working and working on switches, so pressing on them, and I'll just get some stuff done. What about the portal cubes and buttons? Yeah, that's what I was just talking about. That the cubes and the pressure plate buttons. I will actually make those for the companion cubes. And oh, someone's just joining, and we're doing the outro at the moment, so sorry for that. So yeah, this that's what we will be doing next time, making companion cubes and make them work. I might actually upload a video about this concept now working, just to get some more attention to this project. Also, expect a little video about dull desks, expect a video about the Google Plus community, expect a video about map making, a lot of them. I really want to get that finished now that we are nearing at the final of it, and then we'll focus more on this, which is already, I mean, big. So yeah, I think, don't forget the portal emancipation. No, I won't forget the emancipation grill. That thing. It will be really easy to make, actually. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff to be done, a lot of models to be created, a lot of yeah, a lot of stuff to be done, basically. Do some shout outs. Why should I do some shout outs? Okay, so yeah, that's what we will be creating next time. Anyways, I think this is just me tuning out. As I said, video about the Google Plus community. A video will be out about the portal. I think I'll make a video instead of a stream about it. I'll make a video. There's a video ready for map making. I've made a video for that already, so that's going up tomorrow. And furthermore, I don't think I have very many videos left. I have a one command like ready, but I've never made it. I have a map ready, but I've never like finished it. There's just these little tweaks I can't get around to. So I need to do those first. I want to do those next week. I want to have them finished so I can have the videos the same or the week after. The same week or the week after. So that's a bit of the planning for today. That's really all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you do like this, want to get more notifications, I am on Twitter a lot, so if you want to have some more updates, please go to Twitter and follow me on there. If you haven't subscribed yet, of course do, but I figure most people have subscribed who watch the stream. Am I forgetting anything? There's a link in the description for a Google Plus community, so don't forget to join that as well if you want to come into contact with more map makers and upload your own projects. Show your own projects off and basically get some more attention to your projects, which of course need more attention. So yeah, that's basically it. I will see you in the next video. I think I will do a video before the stream again. So see you then. And that's just me tuning out. Bye!